In this short video, we'll show you how to place an order using the Nadex trading platform. Let's get started. Once you've logged into your Nadex trading account, in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see three different types of trading products: binary options, call spreads, and knockouts. Click on a product, then one of the market classes, and then select one of the expiration options beneath one of the markets. In this example, we've clicked binary options, indices, and then daily under US 500. This will display the list of contracts available for that expiration cycle. Once you've identified the specific contract you're interested in, click on it to populate a price chart as well as bring up an order ticket on the right-hand side of the platform. Notice at the top of the order ticket, there is a specific description outlining the details of that contract. Here we see, will the US 500 finish higher than 33.47 at 4:15 p.m. Eastern, which is the level we selected when choosing the contract. If you predict the answer to this question is yes, click Buy. If you think no, click Sell. You can further modify the order ticket by selecting an order type, the price at which you want to trade, and the quantity that you want to trade. In this example, we've clicked Buy and entered a limit order below the current market price. When you place a limit order, this means you are willing to wait for this price. Your order will only be filled if the market reaches this price. If you are happy to pay the current market price, you can select a market order instead. Notice that the risk reward for this order is calculated on the order ticket, and the maximum potential loss and maximum potential profit are displayed before you place your order. If everything looks good, click Place Order to send your order to the market. A pop-up message will confirm that your order has been received. You can check the status of your order by clicking on the Order tab below. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've placed your order on the Nadex platform, getting you into the exciting action of Nadex prediction markets.